Hello students, here we are going to make a page with newspaper cuttings for the painting. So here I am having some cuttings over here and Fevicol. First I am going to draw a border. You can use a scale for this bordering. And then one by one we are going to paste our page, the newspaper cuttings here. First we are going to check the placement of papers, small pieces over here. One more thing that is very important here. Here no pictures are there, only I want matter part here. I want only matter part here, like I just take a part here where I am going to fit all these things and start it. Like this, 3, and here I am having some lines cutting like this. Perfect. Perfectly working here. Here. Then that page is overlapping, that is fine, no issues. So I'll start here. First I'll make a border here with a Fevicol. Very lightly I'll put Fevicol here. Then I'm going to paste my page here. Again downside I am going to paste Fevicol. A long strip here. Now here a small part is there and we feel here Fevicol. Then I'm taking a small strip. I'm going to put Fevicol over here also and going to overlap this part. So this is absolutely fine, like this. Now we are going to complete this part here. If you want, you can going to overlap here and here. Yes. Then I put some Fevicol here also. And I'll try to finish it in one part if possible. Don't think so this is possible. Yes, perfectly. And I'm only checking this below line. And I put my page here. Now for the downside, I'm having a strip here. So I'm going to use this strip here. You can put Fevicol. Check downside line, that is your border line. Paste it. Scissor I needed. And I'll take a measurement over here. I'm going to cut this part paste it here like this. Now check all corners, and this is your page is ready with the help of Fevicol, scissor, some paper cuttings over here. Thank you.